So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene. In this video I'm going to do a full set for you guys from start to finish, and I'm so sorry that I didn't post last week. I'm so busy, you guys, but let's dive right into it. So this is the nails of my client. She had a little bit of nail polish on her natural nails, so I got that off with some acetone. Now I'm pushing the cuticles back with my cuticle pusher. I'm doing this gently. Make sure your client doesn't have pain while you're doing this. Make sure you ask your client if it hurts, because this part don't uh, it don't I mean can't hurt. You don't want to hurt your client. And now I'm going in with my diamond bit, and I'm getting all that dried skin off from the cuticle area. Make sure you do this also really careful, and not under the cuticles, but only where you have pushed back the cuticles and on the nail plate, because you don't want to damage the natural nail. Do this on a low speed. I'm using my um, nail file on, I think, a 8 or a 9 speed for this part. And yes, I'm doing this on all the nails. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going in with my my cuticle scissors. Make sure you do this step really careful, you guys. I have this scissors now. I really needed to get used to them because they are really sharp. um, but if you are a beginner, you can also start with the thicker ones. This one is a really thin one, but the thicker ones from Born Pretty that I've also used before in my videos is also a great start alternative to start and to practice with, because this one you really have to know how to cut the dead skin around the cuticle area before you start using this one. I really recommend you guys start cutting cuticles with the other one first, and then when you're master in cuticles, then you can go in with this thinner cuticle scissors. And now I'm going in with my sanding band. This is a um, I think a medium or a soft, a really fine sanding band. This is this fine sanding band, and I'm going in to get the natural shine from the nails, also on a really low speed, you guys, because you don't want to damage the natural nail too much, only to get the shine from the natural nail. And when I'm done doing this step, I'm going in with my nail tips to apply on all the nails, and I've measured them before, and when I was done measuring with all the nails, I went in and I applied the nail tips, and I just love them. These are some XXL tapered nail tips. Love them, and I'm trying them out, and I also think that I will be launching this product on my website when I launch. And now I'm cutting the nail tips. Always measure the nails to see if they are even. Now I'm going it with my toe clippers, and this is a straight clipper and is perfect for making the coffin shape. I always use this one to make the coffin shape. And I'm also trying this one out to see if I can put it on my website. You guys, I have a lot going. I'm trying a lot of things out because I really want you guys to have the best products on my website, and so you can also purchase the best things. And you guys, I know I'm always saying that yes, I'm coming with my website and coming with my website, but you guys, that's why I didn't post last week, because I was so busy. I had a lot of stress. I don't know what this coronavirus is doing for me, but there are so much delay on everything, or products are out of stock. Guys, oh my god, what stress. I was crying. I was about to give up, but you guys' comments always make me happy and encourage me and make me strong to keep on going. So thank you so much for being there for me always. I love you guys so much. Now I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the coffin shape, and I'm going to do that on all the Daniels. Okay, so now I'm going in again with my fine sanding band to blend in the nail tips, and I'm only doing this on the nail tips to blend it. I don't want to file on the natural nail at the nail tip area, only on the nail tip to blend it in before applying my product. So when I'm done doing that, I'm going in with my nail prep. This is to dehydrate the nail plate before applying your product. Love it, you guys, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm so happy that some of my products have arrived. So I'm so happy, not all of them. So that's why I didn't launch yet, but um, some products have arrived. I'm going to apply the primer first, and when I'm done using my primer and when it's dry, I'm going to use my super bond on all the 10 nails. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going in with the next step with a thin layer of clear acrylic. I always like to do this to make sure the nails are protected, the natural nails are protected. And when you're going to do a refill, it's really easy to file down the color that you have without filing the natural nail again and only filing on the clear acrylic. So this is also a way to protect the natural nail, and because the clear acrylic is the strongest acrylic, um, you will barely get lifting if you do the proper steps. So, and now I'm going to use the cover pink on the nail plate on all the 10 nails. So hey, thank you for being still here or watching my video. Let me know by commenting a purple heart emoji so I know that you're still here watching. And if you're still here watching, you girl, go and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for subscribing and just enjoy of this application. It's so satisfying. Okay, so this is how the nails look after application, and next I'm using my safety bit that I'm always trying also trying out for my website and for my students. I love this bit because you can barely cut your clients with it. If you cut your client, you're doing something really wrong with this. But I'm just smoothing the nails down and shaping them a little bit, and yeah, I'm going to do this on all the 10 nails. Okay, so this is my triangle and bit, ceramic bit to get into the cuticle areas. I get a lot of questions about this bit, you guys. This bit I'm using, I also trying this one out to get on my website. So the guys that asked me about the triangle bit, I will also have this one on my website soon, soon, soon. Really, really, you guys really just have a little bit of more patience with me. But when I'm coming good. I'm coming hard. I'm so a perfectionist. That's why. I'm so sorry. So yeah. Now I'm going to use my hand file to perfect the shape, and I'm going to do that on all the 10 nails. And you guys, this is my pride, my Sunny juices. You guys know that I love to use alcohol on the nails to disinfect and to clean when I'm done doing nails. I just love it because I just love it. But you guys, I thought, why not give it a twist and make it more fun to use alcohol, because the smell of alcohol is always so strong. you guys. So I have sandy juices of a couple of more flavors. I can't wait to show you guys. But these are my painting gels, also my painting gels that I'm going to have on my website, you guys. I'm so happy, so excited. So I'm using the purple one to make this butterfly. I really don't know how to explain you guys how I'm going to do this, but you can just watch and see what I did. But these painting gels don't have a tacky layer, so what I did is I've applied my top coat first. I've cured that under my lamp, and over the cured top coat I'm now drawing my uh, butterfly. I'm first using the purple to draw the shape of the butterfly. When I'm done using the purple, I'm going in with some silver in the middle to just make it like a ombre effect. When I'm done doing that, I'm going to cure it under my lamp. When I'm done curing it under my lamp, I'm going to outline the butterfly with a black painting gel. And the black painting gel is our number 2, I think. Yeah, our number 2. And then I'm going to cure it, and then you're literally done with the butterfly. So I'm just so excited, and I love the way that it's not tacky after you are done, because you can just do it over your top coat and you can get like that kind of 3D effect nail design. So I love that of our gel painting gels. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm applying my super bond again all over the nails. This is to make sure that the painting gel sticks better to the nails. You can also use this before applying your top coat. This is to make sure that your top coat stays lasts longer using our super bond. But I love to do it when I'm doing nail designs straight on the acrylic. I also love to do that. So now I'm going to outline the butterfly first while the super bond is drying, and yeah, I'm just going to outline it, and then when I'm done with this part, I'm just going in with a brush, and I'm just going to use the painting gel as a oh my god, I'm sorry you guys, as a gel polish. It's so thick that you only have to use one coat, and it will not crack. It will not be too thick. The shape of the nail, you can just keep the shape of the nail because it's so thick. You can just use one coat, and I love it so much because they are so pigmented. So yeah, by the way, I'm using my detailing brush from the gel bottle to do this step. Okay, so I didn't apply the gel, the painting gel to the cuticle because I'm using a small detailing brush to get the perfect cuticle application of the painting gel. I've cured it on my lamp. I've applied some top coat, and you guys, this is the final result. Only one coat of the painting gels. Love it so much. I'm so in love with the end result, you guys. Love it. Perfect for the spring. You can also use other colors for summer because I will be having some bomb-ass colors for the summer of these painting gels on my website. So yeah, you guys, love it so much. Let me know what you think of this nail design. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here with me. Bear with me, you guys, encouraging me, pushing me. Thank you so much, you guys. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And don't forget to share, like this video, comment, everything. Thank you so much, you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.